Cakewalk versus Ableton music production software wins. Choosing the right DAW can completely change how you create music without getting stuck on complicated workflows. Cakewalk and Ableton offer distinct approaches to music production. Cakewalk and Ableton are two powerful digital audio workstations designed for music creation. Cakewalk focuses on traditional multi-track recording and mixing, while Ableton emphasizes live performance and electronic music production, making their core difference centered on workflow and creative style. Cakewalk by BandLab is a full-featured DAW that provides professional-grade recording, editing, and mixing tools. It operates on a traditional linear timeline, ideal for tracking live instruments and detailed audio production. Cakewalk supports unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, offers advanced mixing consoles, and integrates seamlessly with VST plugins. Its interface resembles classic studio setups, making it familiar for users with experience in traditional recording. Strengths include robust audio editing capabilities, comprehensive mixing tools, and zero costs as it is completely free. However, Cakewalk's learning curve can be steep for beginners, and its workflow is less optimized for electronic music or live improvisation. It runs exclusively on Windows, which limits cross-platform flexibility. The ideal user is a musician or producer focused on recording bands, vocalists, or detailed studio projects looking for powerful tools without upfront costs. Ableton Live is a versatile DAW designed with a focus on electronic music and live performance. It features two main views: Session View for triggering clips and improvisation, and Arrangement View for traditional linear editing. Ableton's strength lies in its intuitive workflow, extensive library of instruments and effects, and seamless integration with MIDI controllers. It supports real-time manipulation, making it a favorite for DJs and producers who perform live or create electronic compositions. Ableton also includes Max for Live, allowing custom device creation and deep customization. Limitations include a higher price point and a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with nonlinear workflows. While it supports both Windows and macOS, it may feel less suited for traditional multi-track recording compared to Cakewalk. The ideal user is an electronic music producer, DJ, or live performer who values creativity, flexibility, and real-time control. Comparing Cakewalk and Ableton highlights their strengths in different production scenarios. Cakewalk excels in studio environments focused on recording live instruments, offering detailed audio editing and mixing at no cost. It's perfect for bands and traditional producers. Ableton shines in electronic music production and live settings, with its clip-based session view enabling spontaneous creativity and performance. However, Ableton's price and non-linear workflow might be challenging for those used to classic DAWs. Cakewalk's Windows-only support contrasts with Ableton's cross-platform compatibility. Choosing between them depends on your workflow preferences. Cakewalk for in-depth studio recording and mixing, Ableton for electronic music creation and live performance flexibility. Choose Cakewalk if you prioritize free professional recording and mixing tools focused on traditional studio production with a familiar linear workflow. Opt for Ableton if your focus is electronic music, live performance, or creative improvisation with powerful real-time tools and cross-platform support. Both DAWs offer exceptional features, so select the one that aligns with your music style and production needs.